Welcome back everybody to the Thailand videos. In this video we're going to be climbing up a sticky waterfall, and I apologize for the lack of an introduction in this video, just a voiceover, as I did not film an introduction for this video. But I hope you guys enjoy as we climb up this really treacherous waterfall. So we're on our way to climb up this waterfall. How are you guys feeling about it?
I'm confused.
How so?
I don't know. Usually you don't go to waterfalls to climb up them, but you know what? We're in Thailand. What the heck? Let's climb up some waterfalls.
Yeah. Don't go chasing waterfalls. How are you feeling about it?
I'm excited. I wanna feel the texture of it. Well, no, they call it a sticky waterfall. Let's see what that's
if it's
about.
actually sticky.
And the fact you're climbing up it too is very intriguing.
Yeah. If this waterfall is not sticky, then I want my money back. I've been lied to. Whilst debating the stickiness of this waterfall with Abby, I was fully planning on suing the Sticky Waterfall Company for false advertising if their claims were proven to be untrue. I genuinely have no idea what to expect with this waterfall climb. Apparently a lot of accidents do happen here, so... Yeah, that's what Faye was saying. It's a cool waterfall. Oh, hold up. Hey, you got a little friend on your back.
What is it?
What is that? Hey, it looks like a stink bug, but I don't think that is.
Super poisonous spider.
What is it?
I don't know.
It's like a beetle bug.
These flies. I don't got anything on me, do I? Do you have anything on me?
Are you okay?
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
The treacherous climb begins with the first step. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Don't step on the green. We're gonna die. This is not a very sticky waterfall. I feel it is in fact a very slippery waterfall. Cooler words were never spoken. As it turns out, this waterfall actually has a lot of slippery spots, and one wrong step can cause you to fall. Now imagine doing this one-handed as you have to film the crazy thing. The texture of this thing is crazy.
Yeah, it's so bizarre. This is called Sticky Waterfall, right?
Yeah, it's a sticky waterfall, but it feels very slippery to me.
Yeah, it feels super sticky. So right now, we're climbing up a waterfall, which is something I'm not used to. Usually we don't go to waterfalls to climb up them. But here we are in Thailand, living life, climbing up a waterfall.
Dude, the water feels great.
Yeah, the water feels quite amazing. This is really neat. How is this even formed?
Yeah, right?
Like the rocks are so smooth.
Is this man-made at all?
It looks man-made.
It does.
And it's not. No, it's actually from nature.
This is all from nature.
Yeah, they just built the stair. Doesn't make any sense.
That's so cool.
That's the group.
Hell yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ooh. Oh, the water's still here. That's like the 4th time I've almost slipped and died in this stuff.
Because
This is insane. Oh, wow. Fishies. I think it's really hard to grasp the scale of this mountain or this waterfall in a video. But just take my word for it, this is very steep. And it's about to get even steeper. How are we feeling about this one?
Great. Ready for the adventure?
Immediately? Really?
It was a deep hole.
Oh, sure. She fell one step in. I'm doing this one-handed, by the way, so I think I'm just like extra badass. Still me filming you?
You would never find anything like this in your state.
No, never. This really does feel like an adventure. Whoa, that's steep as hell. Look at how far we've come, guys.
My brain can't fully process how this happened.
You guys want to grab you the rope?
Oh shit. It's roping time. Think you can do it? There's a rope. You going ropeless?
Wow.
Which one's safer?
Rope. You can try with your bare hand.
Who needs a rope? I'm going ropeless.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say.
Ropes for amateurs. These are sharp as hell.
Yes, all was looking well for the ropeless king until, well, this happened.
That's painful texture. Go, King! Okay. Did you do that too?
Rope is so much easier. Why would you not use the rope?
Because I'm filming.
The personal challenge.
That was genuinely quite painful. All right. The escapades of doing this one-handed are going to continue. I might die, but that's okay. I've lived long enough.
I'll share the content on your behalf.
Hell yeah. I did it for the tube. Can I tombstone read, did it for the tube? That is treacherous as hell. You know, aside from impending death, this is really nice waterfall. Alright, phase up next. Let's go. Yeah, this is officially going to be hard mode, and I'm a little worried about it. Doing it one-handed. Alright. Got it? It's a Okay. This is really difficult with one hand. Okay. Good thing my grip strength is good. I'm actually like hanging on by a thread. Oh, it's so slippery. Oh my god, it's so slippery right here. I don't like that at all. The view's nice though. Yeah, it's very, even right here. And we're finally moving along. Oh my gosh. Oh. This is really crazy. This rope is my rope of life right now. Really hard to do with one hand though, and while vlogging.
These are slippery.
Holy shit. Glad my grip strength is up. Oh my gosh. What we do for content. What we do for content. Oh.
Yeah, when you step where the water's flowing, it's not really slippery.
Okay. Wow, how's it going, guys? Step where the water's flowing, huh? This is by far the slipperiest part. Oh, jeez. We did it.
Cool. We did it. We freaking did it.
Oh my gosh. That was really hard to do one-handed. Don't recommend it. Pro tip, don't vlog and climb up a waterfall with one hand. Probably not a good idea. If they made it. Good job. Now, Abby. I'm ready for ice cream.
After we all survived the sticky waterfall climb, we then headed back into town to share a drink of victory together.
No, not one of those, but if I had 14% in one drink, definitely be feeling it.
And that was it for our sticky waterfall climb. Join us next week as we are going to be hanging out with some elephants and having a good old time as we travel to Pi.